So I really appreciate the effort of Quest team, that is Veera sir and Kalyan sir, and our faculty also. So they done a lot of work from the past 10 months. Actually, initially I have a doubt. This Quest program is worthable for our KVR or not. But they done lot of amazing things to our children. So every students from each classes, they performed very well on today stage without any stage fear. So first of all, I would like to appreciate the